and also how do you bridge all of them and make a balance between all these three?
Means simple word. I would say I don't wait for the opportunity to come and go. I simply detox myself. When I am into one thing, I put my 110% to that thing. Like if I am working, I don't do here and there work. 9 to 5 is my job. Say an example. So if 9 to 5 is my job, I don't think about YouTube. I don't talk about my personal things. Yes, the emergency is there, but that thing is gonna come with my family time only. That's all. If family is not interrupting, I'm not gonna let compromise my professional life. When it comes to like knocking six is my personal time. Now it's totally time to be honest with the creativity that you have, because I always believe that टेक्निकल स्किल्स ठीक हैं, एक अपनी जगह तक अच्छी चीज है, यू शुड बी नोइंग इट, बट you know what, there will be some times that when you will sit back, when you will be hurt, when you will be down, when you will be criticized, when you feel insecurity, these technical skills are not going to help. The only thing that is going to help you is your creativity, that how much creative you are. मानो या ना मानो, सब कितना भी कह ले, आप कितना पैसा कमा सकते हो टेक्निकल स्किल से, बट पीस is gonna come when you do certain things. And one of my friend, she taught me this thing कि यार पता है मैं रात को अक्सर क्या करती हूँ, मैं खिड़की के पास बैठ करके और तारों को देखती हूँ और मैं उनको अपनी सारी बातें बोल देती हूँ. And what happens is they accept me the way I speak to them. And you trust me when you start doing this activity, which one of my friends she taught me, and I realize yeah यार, अगर मैं बात बोल देता हूँ, सामने वाला ये चीज सुन लेता है, मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम खत्म है. So when you ask me that how I balance, I simply do one thing at a time, because I have realized that creativity is something that everybody should do. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do, you do it. Decision is yours. Like अभी कल के स्ट्रीम में मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल लिया था कि people have started mixing up your thoughts. Like तुम्हें अगर आज लेमनेड पीना है तो हम उसमें फ्लेवर डालेंगे, और तुम्हें अगर फिंगर बाउल चाहिए तो उसमें हम नींबू की स्लाइस डाल देते हैं. मतलब जिस चीज की जरूरत जहां पर है ना, वो हम कर ही नहीं रहे. ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन लाइक वॉश योर हैंड्स विद नॉर्मल हॉट वाटर ऑल्सो. उसमें नींबू डालने की क्या जरूरत थी, और लेमनेड में फ्लेवर ऐड करने की क्या जरूरत है जब वहां पर एक्चुअल नींबू की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो दैट यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. मतलब सब लोग सब मिक्स कर देते हैं और अल्टीमेटली वो फेलियर की तरफ जाते हैं. Like everybody expects that to be a YouTuber, you need to have a big setup, like taking up a mic, then a ring light, then a good camera. नहीं जरूरत है. You need to be passionate about the things. You need to know the timetable that you follow. What you do it right. You put up your 100%. वीडियो अच्छी जाती है नहीं जाती है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट मैं उस वीडियो को अगर रिविजिट करता हूँ तो मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि I have given my 110%. That's all. So that's how I balance everything, that when I'm working, I'm working. When I'm like doing a YouTube, I'm doing and 100% committed to it. That's all.
Yeah, balance, huh? One thing at a time, no matter how many professions you are in.